Hey everyone, it's Dawn here, and I keep not wanting to make this video, but I gotta make this video. So I got an Amazon storefront now, so I am an Amazon affiliate, and the link is in my YouTube channel description, and I'm gonna start throwing that link onto all of my videos that is featuring products that I review and stuff like that. When I threw a whole bunch of stuff onto my storefront already, and I'm still brand new, so it probably is going to be the most basic and horrible storefront ever. But I'm new. If you have any tips or tricks, suggestions, or if you see I'm missing something on my storefront, please let me know and help me out, because I don't know what I'm doing. But it would really help me out, bug, if if you could support my storefront and my YouTube channel. I don't know. Okay, I don't want to talk about that other stuff, but it would help me out a lot, and I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. So I have everything on my storefront is stuff that I pretty much have bought or I want to buy. There's stuff like the screws that I use, the axle screws and the fairing screws, and tools, like my electric screwdriver and my Makita power drill, the gear that I use, my gloves, my heated winter gloves. Let's see, what else? I don't know. The jackets that I've bought from there, and the thermal paste. I don't know, it's just like everything EUC related. I've thrown it all in there, and I'll probably make other lists, and I'm thinking about making little categories and stuff so I can separate out tools and screws and stuff from the gear, and like Velcro and the backpack that I use. I still love that backpack, the Osprey Raven 14, and then I actually got the larger, one size larger as well, for when I need to carry extra things. So my smaller backpack, the 14 liter, I use that one when all I'm going to do is carrying my water, because it's a hydration pack as well, and or the charger. Water and charger and small little things can go in there. But if it's a bigger trip, like our 100-miler trips, then I will often want to bring my jacket, and that is bulky, so then I will bring the bigger, it's one size up. And that one, the quality isn't as good as the Raven 14. When I got it, I was actually kind of like, but it still wears comfortably. It still does the job. All the Osprey backpacks have the lifetime unlimited warranty, which is like amazing, and I've made use of that. So anyways, that backpack is on there, and I still highly recommend it. And a bunch of my friends have gotten that backpack, and so as far as I've heard, everybody loves it. It's very minimal, and it's very comfortable to wear. Let's see, the backpack I would really recommend. The case for the Roger charger, I would still really recommend that. I don't think what else is really good that's on there. I don't know, but there's a whole bunch of stuff. All my Insta360 gear, the type of the mic that I use, and all the little thingies for the Insta360 is on there. I don't know. So anyways, I have a storefront. I'm going to throw more stuff in there and watch it and use it and let me know if I'm missing anything. I have to at least make one sale before X number of days, or they're going to take it away from me. So I'm hoping someone will order something. I'm not sure if it'll work if I order something from there. And then I was thinking, oh man, if someone else, if like you wanted to buy something, like let me know and I'll put it on my list, and then you can buy it from there, because it's not like they charge you more. It's just that I'll get a little something, and they'll like make a note that, oh, okay, she can sell stuff. Otherwise they'll be like, she's useless. You know, let's cut her off. Anyways, that's exciting. I'm going to try to build, I guess, my accounts, my YouTube. I don't know. I keep saying that I'm going to try to build, but then I don't. So, okay, once again, I'm going to say I'm going to try to build it. I'm actually going to branch off and I think make a little personal thing, because there are things coming up that is going to be a whole nother series of videos. So if you watch my YouTube, and I know there's a lot of people that have watched me from the beginning, and so you'll see like my motorcycle days, my fiber arts days, then the diamond painting, and then the horseback riding stuff and endurance racing, and then the EUC stuff, which has been the latest, is the EUC stuff, my pawns and stuff. So my YouTube channel really isn't a dedicated for anything. It's just my YouTube channel that I just throw whatever is going on in my life goes into my YouTube channel. Whatever interests I am at the moment, and I bounce from interest to interest. And I'm just giving you guys a heads up that there's going to be another shift coming up soon, and new adventures, new chapter in my life, good and bad. And so that will be coming up. And I don't change my YouTube or make another account. I'll just keep, this is my YouTube channel, but I'll make another playlist, I guess. So I will start distinguishing like that subject from EUC stuff. So I think a lot of viewers right now are EUC related, but you'll see a split coming up in the, I don't know, probably another couple months or so, but it's coming. So anyways, lots of changes, lots of stuff going on. Thank you everyone for joining me and hanging out with me this past, how long have I been with EUC now? Over a year, a little over a year. So it's been fun, it's been great. This isn't a goodbye, although it's starting to sound like I'm like farewelling everybody, farewelling to everybody, but I don't know. I'm being super weird right now, I think. All right. Support my Amazon affiliate storefront thing, and I will talk to you guys next time. Oh, quick note, EX30 came out with another firmware that is better. Beeps are back, and it will now cut off after spinning at 100% PWM for a little bit. So from what I've heard, that is a good one to go to. So I still haven't updated mine yet, but I will. All right, thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.